Now we have taken a decision, but it is not emotionally satisfying. It is not giving us any pleasure. That is what goes wrong with the Two of Cups. The juggler who was juggling between our two pentacles, when it is upside down, gravity will work and his two pentacles will fall down. So the meaning is very evident here that the options that you had in your hand have both fallen off. All the options have fallen off. Now you are left devoid of any options. Aum Friends, welcome back to our channel Zazen Tarot Space. In the previous video in the number series, we had understood what twos signify in our tarot deck. Now, what happens when our twos become reversed? Upright, our twos meant decision. In the aces, we were given a new seed. In the twos, we had to decide whether or not to accept the seed, what to do with the new seed, the new energy, the new offer. Or else we had multiple offers and multiple seeds and we had to decide which one to take or how many, one, none, more than one, what decision to take. When the twos become reversed, this decision is affected and impacted. A good decision can be taken when the twos are upright, but the moment they are reversed, the ability to take a good decision is lost. That is one interpretation of the twos reversed. The other thing we had understood that was a balance needs to be maintained. A balance needs to be achieved for, that is the purpose of the twos. The moment the twos are reversed, that balance is lost. Third word we had understood was harmony. The moment the balance is lost, the harmony is also gone. So looking at each of our four twos, in the Two of Wands, when it was upright, we had taken a decision. We had taken a good decision, a strong decision, a well-informed decision. The moment the two, and another thing we had discussed was that when we have Two of Wands, usually the decision turns out to be a good decision in the long run. But the moment we have an upside down Two of Wands, the decision is being taken still because the man is still holding one wand, but this decision tends to go wrong. We may take a wrong decision, is what this card is warning us. Similarly, in the Two of Cups, what happens? We had combined various options. We had connected various options. We had taken the best of all the options that we have, all the offers that we had merged them into one. And it was like choosing everything that we have. The moment this Two of Cups is reversed, friends, the cups which signify emotions, the cups which is a water element, the cups will fall out of the emotions, the water will flow out of our cups because now it is upside down. Any liquid will flow out. So what happens? The decision has been taken, fine. The combining of the taking the best of all the options is also there. Perfect. But there is no pleasure now. The pleasure is lost. The emotion is lost. If you remember, the cups suit also represents the pleasure that we derive, the emotional satisfaction that we derive out of something. Now we have taken a decision, but it is not emotionally satisfying. It is not giving us any pleasure. That is what goes wrong with the Two of Cups. Similarly, when we have the Two of Swords, earlier also it was upright, also it was a card of rejecting everything. upside down, it is still rejecting. Somehow this card has an additional meaning of deceit, of losing friendships when upside down. Also, again here, we had chosen in the upright Two of Swords, we had chosen to reject all options. Possibly, when the card was upright, that was a correct decision. But again, when the card goes upside down, this could be a wrong decision. We should have selected something, is what the card is showing. Coming to our last two, that is the Two of Pentacles. When this card is upside down, the juggler who was juggling between our two pentacles, when it is upside down, gravity will work and his two pentacles will fall down. So the meaning is very evident here, that the options that you had in your hand have both fallen off. All the options have fallen off. Now you are left devoid of any options. So the decision whether you take it or you don't take it, the delay in decision, whatever, your options are lost. It could also mean that the options are lost because of your delaying the decision taking process. So that's about our twos reversed. Another thing, friends, we were talking about balance and harmony. Both balance as well as harmony, which was there in the twos upright, are lost in the twos reversed. The juggler was maintaining balance, the balance is gone. The Two of Cups, where pleasure was being derived because of the the combined forces of all the options, the pleasure is gone. So again it will result in lack of balance and harmony. Similarly, in the Two of Wands as well as the Two of Swords, where we were expecting a good positive decision, whether it was about choosing one or rejecting both, in either of the cases it seemed to be a good decision, but the moment it is reversed, it seems that the wrong decision has been taken. It will not be beneficial in the long run. So where the opposite forces needed to be maintained and were being maintained in the twos upright, there, the moment they are reversed, they are kind of fighting for dominance over each other. The various options are kind of, instead of coexisting, they are fighting for dominance. The opposite forces are either blocking each other or they are not maintaining balance and they are refusing to coexist. So all in all, the balance is lost, it is upset, and everything wrong in terms of decision making. So that's the twos reversed for us, friends. Now we will move on to our next video in the number series, which is the significance of the threes. We will understand everything about the threes and what happens when these threes are reversed.